Okay, I like to go ahead and show round 3 so that my hope is that before next class, you guys will have round 1 and round 2 done, as these are both stitches that you're familiar with. And then you can get started on round 3, and we will hopefully finish round 3 if anybody is stuck, and then start with round 4 at the next class. So the first thing for round 3 says chain 1. So we've got just our slip stitch where we joined round 2 together. So we're going to chain 1, and then it says 2 single crochet in the same space, which is going to be this single crochet from round 1 where we joined and have our slip stitch. So we're going to go ahead and single crochet in there. And then it says, let's see, chain 1, 1 single chain in the same space, single chain in next. So we're going to single chain again, or single crochet again, sorry. So we single crochet twice, and then we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we are going to 1 single chain in each of the next 2 single crochets. So when you're looking at your pattern, I don't know if you can see it on here, but you'll be able to see that this is in parentheses. Remember that means we're going to repeat this sequence, and it's going to tell us to repeat it 7 times. So this is the first that we did our chain 6. So we're going to start 1 single crochet in the next of each of next 2. So in the next 2, so you're just going to leave this here. It's kind of going to look like a flower petal right now. Single crochet in the next 2, and then you kind of just have this little flap here, and that is something that we are going to use as a space in the next round. So then you're going to chain 6 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches again. And notice that we're not actually skipping any stitches. So we're making our little flap, and then we're going right into the next stitch. We're not skipping anything, and we're going to do that 7 times. So this one does not count because it was not in the parentheses. We need 7 more after this, so 8 total. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back at the end. Okay, so this is the first one they instructed me to do before the parentheses. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the 7th one. The last thing it tells you to do in your parentheses is chain 6, and that's what I've done. So that's the last thing you're going to do in your repeat. Make sure you don't end anywhere in the middle of your repeat, or if it seems like you're not in the right spot, you probably made a mistake somewhere. We need to go back and figure it out. Okay, so then you're going to join, and you're going to join in your first single crochet, which this is my chain 1, here's my single crochet, and my second single crochet. You can see because we know that then goes into our chain 6. Now remember, if you're having a hard time seeing where your first stitch is that you need to join in, it's really easy to just grab a stitch marker, and on every single round when you do that very first stitch, go ahead and put that marker in there. That way you are not worried that you're joining into the wrong one when you come back. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch to join into that first stitch, and we've got 8. It says 8 chain 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what we are going to use for our 4th round, which we will do after our next class, or in the next class if we get to it. So this is what hopefully you will look like or be close to when we meet next, and we will perfect that if necessary and get started on the next one. If you have any questions, just let me know.